Salut, bonjour, hello, good morning. Salut, bonjour. Repeat. Fine. And in the revision, we are doing the sixth lesson. Sixth lesson subject we are doing as revision. This is lesson number 10. This is lesson number 10. And this is a third revision we are doing. We are doing the revision of sixth lesson. Fine. In the sixth lesson we studied les, moi, de, l'année. Repeat. Les, de, moi, moi, not mois, moi, de, of, the months of l'année, the year, the months of the apostrophe, the year, the months of the year. We learnt it in sixth lesson. We will do it again as a revision. Those who are learning new also can follow. Repeat after me the pronunciation. Janvier, nasal, janvier. R is silent, it is pronounced as ye, just ye. Janvier, février, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, repeat, juin, juillet, août. Sometimes it is correct to pronounce it as woo. That is also a correct pronunciation. Woo or oot. Understand? Oot or woo also. Oot. Septembre, repeat please. Septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. And beware of these accents. D, acute accent. OU, circumflex accent. Circumflex accent. Février, E, acute accent, circumflex accent, acute accent. Okay, 12 months of the year. Once again repeat. Janvier, Février, Mars, Avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Fine. Try to learn the correct spelling and pronunciation. See, only in the beginning of any learning a new language, learning of a new language requires your memory only in the beginning, because you may have to memorize a lot of new words. As the class goes like this, every day you need not remember these many 10 vocabularies, new vocabularies or 15 vocabularies, no. You may have to remember only or say 4 words or 5 new words in future. So it is going to be easy in 1 month. In another 30 classes, 30 classes, we will complete this basic French. Excuse me. Basic French you will be able to complete. You will be able to talk small French sentences. You may be able to say, hi, how are you? I am going to the school. I am coming from the market. The weather is fine today. What's your name, please? I am fine, thank you. How are you? How much is this brinjal? How much is this potato? All these small spoken requirements you will be able to get in 1 month. Don't quit in the middle. Don't feel it is difficult. It is not. It is not difficult. It is easy. It is going to be easy. We are not going in we are going only in this slow steps. With these slow steps we are going. We are not going to take an acceleration. No, never. Till you understand well. Repeat the videos, please. I assure you, in 1 month we will be able to complete this basic French. Basic French will be over in 1 month, 30 classes. Don't quit in the middle. It is easy. It is going to be easy. We will go only in this speed, slow speed. Slow and steady we will go. Okay, fine. So far you have learnt qu'est-ce que c'est. You remember qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? What is this? And you have learnt a few words also. We are not going to do this now, but we are going to do bonjour. I have already told you bonjour. Bonjour, good morning, or hello, or hi. Bonjour. Okay, bonjour. Just write the meaning, no harm. Just write the meaning, bonjour. Bonjour means hello, hi, good morning. Okay, and salut. Salut means what? Salute. Salut means what? Salute. Hi, hello. Fine, right. Merci. 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 Merci means what? Thank you. Thank you. Au revoir. You have seen me telling au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. See you again. Bye. Okay. Merci, au revoir. But pronunciation, please be very careful. French pronunciation is very peculiar and it's beautiful. It is beautiful. Merci. Thank you. Au revoir. Bye. Goodbye. See you again. Ça va. How are you? It's more slang. Ça va. How are you? It also takes a meaning of hi. Ça va. Hi. Ça va. Or it takes a meaning of how are you? Ça va bien. I'm fine. Ça va means how are you? Ça va means I am well. I am fine. Ça va bien. Bien means fine. Well. I am going on well. Ça va bien. Ça va bien, merci. I am fine, thank you. Au revoir. I am fine, thank you. Au revoir. Ça va? Ça va bien? Okay, answer is complete. I am fine. You can add thank you. Merci. Thank you. Au revoir. Au revoir means what? Goodbye. Bye. Okay. So some spoken French. This is all related to spoken French. More slang than formal French. This is what francophone countries speak, and people know French speak all these expressions. Let's say it's an expressions or phrases, whatever it may be, expressions. This is more spoken. So we did the revision of these 12 new words, months of the year, and we learnt a few spoken expressions, spoken French, something related to spoken French. Again, let me emphasize, it's not going to be difficult. Please don't quit in the middle. Only 30 classes, only with the same slow speed we are going. We are not going to we are not taking any acceleration, never. Same speed, same, only in the beginning, I have told you, only in the beginning you may have to remember some new words. In future, you may have to remember little by little, maybe names of fruits you may have to remember, then animals, name of animals, then what else, vegetables, seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Very easy, that's all going to be easy. You might feel some difficulty in remembering in 6 days or say 10 days. You may have to remember numbers from 0 to 20, then days of the week, months, 12 months, 7 days of the week. Then I might have taught you some 20-25 nouns, feminine singular nouns and masculine singular nouns. It's not going to be this much in future. Only in the beginning, you will have to remember, mug up lot of vocabularies, new vocabularies, because we are learning a new language. It's entirely foreign language. You understand? So it's not going to be difficult. Please don't quit in the middle. In 1 month, you will be able to talk a little French. Remember that. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, au revoir. À bientôt. Au revoir. Au revoir means what? Goodbye. See you again. À bientôt. À bientôt. Repeat. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt means what? See you soon. À bientôt. See you soon. Or à demain. À demain. Demain means what? Tomorrow. À demain. À demain means what? See you tomorrow. À bientôt. See you soon. So au revoir. À demain. Merci.